Mohawk Paper is a manufacturer of what are called premium writing, text, and cover papers. We service the print community on behalf of end-use customers on the premium, higher-end, higher quality side. The Fortune 1000 arena, IBMs and GEs and Starbucks, nonprofits. It goes across the board, both public and private. We're a very resource-intensive, a very energy-intensive industry. I think there's a challenge for all of corporate America to face up to this, but the footprint that the paper industry has is very significant. We're the third largest emitter of CO2 of any industry.
Reducing our carbon footprint is a huge goal for our company. It's something we've been working on for decades, and it's something that every person in the company is aware of and works towards. We're looking to gain more insight in terms of what's happening on the factory floor. We want to gain control of the energy consumption that's happening on our plant equipment so we can make better decisions to reduce the amount of energy that we consume.
We were probably the first company into the paper manufacturing industry to adopt an environmental management program more than 30 years ago. We were also the first mill in North America to use renewable energy in the manufacturing of paper, and we introduced the first ever carbon neutral paper products.
The goal of the EAM project for Mohawk is to get better visibility into the life cycle of all of our plant equipment to optimize the performance, the quality, and the efficiency of our machines. But the trick is doing it at the least amount of energy consumption, thereby reducing our energy cost and also reducing the CO2 emissions. When it came to enterprise asset management, Infor was the only solution we looked at because we knew that the Infor product was a market leader and we had a clear, concise, consistent roadmap to take our current product to the next level.
We saw growing concern around the issues of global warming and climate change with our corporate customers, and essentially through our products we've aligned with those concerns.
One of the things that we need to do at Mohawk, and this is an ongoing commitment, is to drive down energy consumption. We look at energy management, we look at all of it, from light sensors in offices to the purchase of biodiesel for our trucks, to when we replace motors, making sure that we get the most efficient motors.
The goal of the EAM project for Mohawk is to better understand the energy consumption that's occurring on our equipment. The key is to have a solution that's user-friendly, that's scalable, and that can integrate with the equipment on our plant floor. The easier it is to use, the wider adoption it will get, and the more information we have to affect change and make better decisions about how we're managing our equipment.
Sustainability in our mind is where environmental performance equals financial performance. But in the end, what you're doing is running a better, obviously more green business, but you're reducing your business risk, therefore you're going to be a more profitable, more successful company. Meeting that sustainable model of having environmental performance equal financial performance, it's exceeded our expectations in terms of the success and profitability of our company around environmental products.
What Infor has done is they've come in, they've listened to us, they've got a sense of our culture, they aligned our goals and objectives with their strategy. And not only does that solve our problems in the near term, but it also collectively takes us forward to the next level. So it's really a partnership rather than just selling a particular solution, a point solution.